Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-350 Lariat in shadow black with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This is a 4x4 with a 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel engine, and it's a V8. It also has a fifth wheel tow package, the Ultimate Trailer Tow camera, as well as the Lariat Ultimate package, which includes navigation. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors and extending mirrors. Memory for 3 drivers, as well as a power driver's seat with lumbar. You have your power tailgate, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handle on the body to make it easier to get in, and a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start, so the keys in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages. As well, you can toggle through a menu. And so you start with My View, go across to Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and Settings. And these all have sub-menus. On your automatic select shifter, you have Tow Haul, and when you press this, you'll see it appear to the left, and then it'll go out again. Up above, you have a little cubby and the Sony branding stereo. As well, you have your exhaust brakes, traction control, hazard lights. There's your Ultimate Trailer Tow camera that gives you different views. And this is a touch screen, so we can go into things like audio and choose the different sources of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and when you put your vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. You also have your settings that you can slide through, and again, just a touch, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, ambient lighting, and other options. Down below is your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. You have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as cooled and heated seats for both driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. Off to the side is your 4x4 locking differential and your integrated trailer brake controller. Down in the cubby, and that can be closed just by a push, is your USB outlets. There's more cubby and as well your cup holders, and inside you're going to see the light for the ambient lighting when that's on. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a bin. You can take that out. More storage way down below, and you've got a 12-volt outlet. Off to the side, another 12-volt outlet, as well as a 110, and you've got 2 glove compartments, the lower one being locking. Up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, as well as lighting controls and sunglass holder. There's your upfitter switches, and that's the button that slides that power back window. And then when you want some fresh air or sunshine, you can just open up your sunroof and it slides right open for you. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running boards, intelligent access, keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and one of the Ultimate Trailer Tow cameras is located just above that handle. The other is at the high mount light, and there's another one in the front. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And when you want to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob and it powers it down. Inside you have a nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and you also have a tailgate step making it easier to get in. And on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power window and accents in the panel. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then you can also pull the clip to bring it back down. On the floor, I've collapsed the bin. It's also lockable. And so we're going to just bring down the seat so you can see how that's done. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And in the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, all-weather mats, and you're also seeing extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110 USB outlets, air vents, and the controls for heated seats. In the body, grab handles. Up above, hooks and handles, as well as lighting and that panoramic view. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, dual exhaust, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, power scope, telescoping trailer tow mirrors that are powered and heated, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.